If you are experiencing indigestion problems such as bloating, belching, burping, or nausea, this is the home remedy for you. We have two home remedies. You can try either one of them. It's easy and it is effective. For the first remedy, we need 2 to 3 pinches of powdered cloves. You can powder the cloves using a mortar and pestle and keep it ready. And 1 cup of water. First, we have to boil the water. To this, add 2 to 3 pinches of clove powder and let it boil for a minute on medium heat. After a minute, turn off the heat and transfer it to a cup and drink. This should be taken when you have the indigestion problem. This is one of the easiest and effective home remedies for indigestion. Now, moving on to the second home remedy, we need quarter teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon juice of lemon or lime, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of water. First, boil the water on medium heat, then add ajwain seeds and boil for another 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and transfer this to a cup. If you don't like the seeds, you can strain it. Then add salt and lemon juice. Mix it well and drink whenever you have this indigestion problem. We follow these remedies whenever we have this indigestion. I hope this will help you as well. For more recipes and remedies, visit foodandremedy.com and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.